Hey guys, this is Ash at Audio 46. Happy almost Halloween. I hope you guys picked out all the fun and cool costumes. Okay, so last time I reviewed iFi Zen Blue DAC, and this time I'm going to review the regular Zen DAC. So this one is also at a very affordable price with good reviews, so I'm super excited to start. Okay, let's start. iFi Zen DAC comes with the RCA cable, USB cable, warranty, and a little manual. So I feel like the overall design of this deck is very minimalist and simple. iFi definitely got rid of all the unnecessary parts. And if you look at the center of the faceplate on the front, this is a knob for controlling the volume. And to the right, there are two buttons called True Bass and Power Match. This one is for controlling the bass boost, and this one is for controlling the gain. So there are two headphone outputs on the front of this deck, one 6.3mm single-ended and one 4.4mm balanced. In terms of output, iFi recommends headphones with an impedance of 12 to 300 ohms for single-ended use and 12 to 600 ohms for balanced use. So this one really does put out a good amount of power, so I think it's more than enough to be used with products like Biodynamic DT990 Pro or the Amaran Home. As you guys can see on the back, there is a balanced 4.4mm analog output, variable fixed switch, RCA analog output, USB audio input, and DC 5-volt power. Connection-wise, the Zen DAC offers compatibility with a computer via USB 2.0 and 3.0, and with amplifiers via RCA and 4.4mm outputs. In terms of resolution, the Bird Brown DAC will handle DSD and DXD up to 12.4 MHz and 384 kHz, respectively. PCM audio gets support in frequencies ranging from 44.1 to 192, and this DAC is also MQA compatible. Okay, so my general impression of the sound using Zen DAC was that the sound is very clean and punchy, and compared to a lot of other decks in similar price range, this deck, there is slightly more warmth and punchiness in the low end, while you can sense a bit of a foreignness in the mid-range. And the high end was definitely smooth and sleek without ever feeling heavy or harsh. And another thing is that the true bass really sounded great, especially when I was using with in-ear models, because I think it really reintroduces and brings out that voluptuous punchiness and power in the low end that you often like from smaller speakers. In general, I feel like there are only certain few instances with certain sub-bass of hip-hop tracks that I felt like the low end and the punch in the low end was a bit too harsh or strong. My final thoughts. Okay guys, so I think in general, Zen DAC not only has smooth and slick design, I think the sound actually resonates the design too in a nice way. And this has quality build, and balanced connections are especially nice considering the affordable price range. And in general, I felt like the sound was much more powerful and really punchy. So in conclusion, I definitely recommend it to you guys. Okay guys, that was it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed my review, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.